Hello student, we are going to start further accounting term number 15, discount. Very popular word in our personal life, discount. In accounting, discount means what? In simple word, discount means amount deducted from total amount. If total amount payable is rupees 10,000, but businessmen accept or pay rupees 9,000, so 1,000 less paid or 1,000 less received. This 1,000 rupees is known as discount. So in simple word, out of the total amount of purchase or sale, the amount which is deducted is known as discount. And students, in accounting there are two types of discounts. First is trade discount and second is cash discount. Let us understand meaning of trade discount. At the time of sale, a businessman deducted certain amount from sales price, deducted from sale price. It is known as trade discount. For example, the sale price of the product is rupees 10,000. Businessman deducted rupees 1,000 initially, rupees 1,000 less, and 9,000 rupees accepted. So these 1,000 rupees known as trade discount. And remember that trade discount is not recorded in the books because bill is prepared for net amount. Net amount means 9,000. So I understand, when we purchase personal article, then generally selling price or printed price is 10,000 printed, but businessmen accept 9,000, 1,000 deducted. So this 1,000 is known as trade discount and bill is prepared for rupees 9,000. So ultimately trade discount is not recorded in the books. So be careful students. Sometime in an example the question is which type of discount is not recorded in the books. So what is your answer? Which discount not recorded? Trade discount is not recorded in the books of account. Understand? Okay. Cash discount, second type. Cash discount means what? To attract the customers with the purpose to receive quick collection. Quick means fast collection. Customer means what? Debtor. Debtor means what? Debtor means those person to whom goods sold on credit. Suppose we have sold goods on credit for net amount 9,000 because 1,000 already deducted from sales price, printed price. So how much amount receivable from customer? 9,000. How much amount receivable? 9,000. And suppose this goods sold for rupees 9,000 on credit and credit period is 1 month. How many month? 1 month. Credit period is 1 month. Now businessman attract to customer for quick collection. So businessman says to the customer, if customer pay within 1 week, then 10% amount deducted from amount receivable. That means if customer, be careful, credit period 1 month, but customer pay this money within 1 week, then 10% discount will be allowed. That means if customer pay money within 1 week, so 10% of 9,000 is 900 deducted. So how much amount payable? 8,100 rupees pay. Are you understand? To attract the customers with the purpose to receive quick collection of credit sale, the amount which is deducted from receivable amount, which is known as cash discount. Receivable amount is 9,000 and if customer pay within 1 month, then 9,000 rupees required. But if customer pay before the collection date, before the collection period, means before 1 month, then 10% discount is allowed. So this discount is called cash discount. Understand? And this is an expense. This is an expense. So cash discount is recorded in the books. Which discount is recorded in the books? Cash discount. Trade discount is not recorded, but cash discount is recorded in the books. Now bad debt. What do you mean by bad debt? So many times debtor of business may not be in a position to pay full amount due to weak financial condition. Debtor means what? The person to whom goods sold on credit. Suppose we have sold goods of rupees 10,000 to debtor. Goods go out, but amount is not received. And many times it may be happen that the financial position of the debtor become weak and he is not able to pay in full. If the amount is not collected even after the necessary efforts, the amount which is not received is known as bad debt. Suppose 10,000 receivable from some person, and due to weak financial position we have received only 6,000. Out of 10,000, 6,000 received. So how much not received? 4,000 not received. So 4,000 rupees called bad debt. 4,000 rupees called bad debt. Understand? Okay, bad debt is not an expense. Bad debt is not an expense because it is not amount spent, but bad debt is a loss for business. So what is bad debt for business? Expense or loss? Loss. It is not an expense. Insolvent person. In accounting, insolvent person means whose personal assets are less. Personal assets are less than personal liability. Sometime it may be happen that the financial position of debtor become weak and he is not pay his debt or liability in full. So in that case such person declare insolvent, and this insolvent person declared by court. We cannot declare insolvent person. Insolvent person declared by court. Understand? Solvent person. Solvent means strong. In accounting, solvent person means whose personal assets are more. Personal assets are more than personal liability. Means the financial position of solvent person is strong. He is able to pay his liability in full. So such person is known as solvent person. So are you understand? Insolvent means assets less and solvent means assets are more. Okay, thank you.